Hey, I'm Mitch. I'm a shop fitter at Woodland Fitouts, and today we're going to be going behind the scenes to have a look at some of the joinery we're preparing to go to site. So what I've got going on here is a biscuit join. So what I've done is cut some cutouts for my biscuits to go into, put some glue in there, and then I'm going to squish it together, tighten up my clamps, and that should give us a nice join. So we're just over at the panel saw, going to cut some timber up for a project we're building for a school. So we also build jewellers, clubs, pubs, restaurants, you name it, shop fitters can do it.
So today we're here on site. We take what we've designed and built in the factory and bring it all out here. We're doing a full retail fit out of a physio, so come take a look. I think what I enjoy about shop fitting is picking up all the different skills to use within the trade. Plenty of different things that you can learn, a lot of different power tools, hand tools, techniques with using all those sort of materials. I think it's good to get a trade as you normally can get a lot more variation in what you're doing. At the end of the day, you sort of feel a bit more accomplished finishing off your job.